Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. So, my topic is about introduction for ellipse. Introduction for ellipse. In this video, we familiarize all parts of ellipse. So first, let's determine what is ellipse. So ellipse is determined by a constant to fixed point, each called a focus point. Sa ellipse, may tinatawag tayong focus point. So makikita natin yan pag nag-graph na tayo. Let's say for example, lagay tayo dito. So from the center, itong example ng coordinate, so dapat equal siya sa kabila. So from the center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, ito yung magiging focus 1 natin. Focus 1. And then sa kabila naman is dapat equal din sila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So focus point 2. Dapat equivalent sila. So ito yung tinatawag nating focus point. From the center, tapos coordinate. So yung first natin is focus 1 and focus 2. Second is may tinatawag tayong principal axis. So what is the meaning of principal axis? The line through the foci of an ellipse. So ano yun? Which is ito. Yan. Galing, no? Ito pong line na ito. That is principal axis. Principal axis. Goods. Third is vertex. So saan kaya natin mahanap yung vertex? So dito yan. Ito ang tinatawag na vertex. Vertex. Tapos sa kabila naman, ito rin vertex. Yan. Yan ang vertex ng ellipse na to. And then itong line naman na ito magmula sa vertex na to hanggang sa kabilang vertex is wait na natin lang, ay tatawag na major axis. Major axis. Goods. Next is ito tinatawag nating vertex. And then sa taas naman is, or sa kabilaan is, or sa so ayun na, meron tayong major axis and vertex. Meron din tayong minor axis and covertex. So ano yun? So yung minor axis is perpendicular siya sa major axis. So ito yon. Itong line na to. Itong one na yan. Yan yung ito muna. From covertex to covertex. Mayroon tayong minor axis. Goods. And then next is latus rictum. So, ano yun? Ang latus rictum ay sa pamamagitan ng coordinate na or tawag natin ay focus, which is ito yon. Maglilinya lang tayo ng ganyan. So itong point na to na madadaanan ng ellipse ay tatawag natin na latus rectum. So ganoon din siya sa kabila. Ito yung focus 1 point latus rectum, yan. Same lang din sila nito. Yan ang tatawag na latus rectum. So, next naman tayo. Next naman. I love you. 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 So, magagawa tayo ng just for a minute. Okay? Minute. I love it. Guys, meron na tayong graph. So, find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the cosine and vertices. Triangles. The video. Axis. And the levels. So, ayun. Example number 1. Find the coordinates of the foci and vertices, the endpoints of the major axis, minor axis, and latus rectum for ellipse, whose center is at 0, 0 degrees. Draw the ellipse. So, dito, meron tayong given formula, which is dito sulat x squared over 20 hindi b mali na nahiram ko lang tugar. X squared over b squared plus y squared over a squared is equals to 1. So ito yung given formula natin, which hindi wala ng tinta, tatakal natin mamaya. So dito ay meron pa palang given to. May katuloy pa to x squared over 20 plus y squared over 36 is equals to 1. So yan. And then next is dito determine natin kung ano yung value ng b at a. So paano yan? dito natin lagay square root of a squared, which ayon, and then doon, ito yung example, is equals to 36. Mali. So ayan, gawin natin. Anong first step is determine natin yung value ng a squared sa given. So hindi pa yan yun, hindi pa 36 yun. So a yan squared is equals to 36. So para malaman natin yung value ng a is square root natin yun, wala yan, equals to, anong square root ng 36 is 6 times 6, 36. Ito yung value ng a. And then next yung b squared is equals to 20. So ayan, yung square root natin yon, hindi, mali, ba't lang yun sila, square root natin yon, magiging b square root of 2 square root of 5. Yan ang value ng b. Ito lang tinta. Goods. Then may isa pa tayo, yung value ng c. Yung formula niya is a squared minus b squared. Ayun yung formula niya para mabuo natin value ng c. So yung a natin is 36 minus 20 is equals to 16. Square root of 16. Yung square root ng 16 ay 4. C. Value ng c. So ayun nga guys, i-graph na natin siya dahil nakuha natin yung value ng b, which is 2 square root of 5, and then value of a is 6, and then value of c is 4. So sabi na dito, center is at 0, 0. So dito yan 0, 0. And then yung vertex natin is 6. Ito yung vertex natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Triple dito sa kabila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan yung vertex natin. Vertices. Yung foci naman is 4. So dito yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan yung foci natin. And yung minor axis naman natin or co-vertex natin is between 2 square root of 5. So nasa pagitan ng 1 yun, 4 or 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sabihin natin dito, dito pala yung 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 dito. Okay. And then na-determine na natin yung what do you call this, vertex, co-vertex sa minor axis, and then foci. So mag-drawing na tayo ng ellipse. Sana perfect to. Wop. Turang okay guys, so paano mag-ano. then yung latus rectum natin na ito. Sana all. Yan guys, determine na natin yung ellipse. Determine natin yung coordinates of foci, vertices, and the endpoints of the major axis. So, thank you po. Ito na yun. Bye bye. Peace out.